Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add overlay on Filmora application. Adding overlays in the Filmora app can enhance your video with additional visual element. So the first thing to do is to open the Filmora application from your app drawer. Tap on the New Project button from the first interface and then select the video or photo you want to edit, and tap on Import at the bottom right. After you select a media that you'd like to edit, go to the bottom menu and select Overlay option. If the overlay isn't immediately visible, you can explore different sections like Effects, Stickers, or Elements. After you go ahead and select one of these options, select one of the elements you want to use. I'm just going to select an emoji from the category. After choosing one of the elements, simply tap on the tick mark at the top right and then drag the edges from your overlay image and make sure you adjust its duration by dragging the edges of the overlay clip. Now tap on the overlay clip and then you can adjust the size, position, animations, rotate your element, and much more. After you are happy with your result, you can then click on the export button at the top right corner and follow through and choose your desired export setting and save your video to your device. And that's how you can easily add overlay on Filmora application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.